Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the AI photography of advanced Midjourney version 5.1. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. But how to get Midjourney version 5.1? According to the team, version 5.1 is more opinionated, providing output comparable to version 4 of Midjourney but with greater quality. There's also a raw mode for those who don't want images that are as strongly opinionated. To activate version 5.1, simply go to Settings and select MJ version 5.1. But before you get Midjourney version 5.1, you have to know what the use of it. Midjourney version 5.1 is more opinionated like version 4.0, which make it easier to use for beginners and allows for shorter prompts. Additionally, there is a raw mode that is for users who are already accustomed to Midjourney's prompt engineering and want more control. Midjourney is an independent research lab exploring new mediums of thought and expanding the imaginative powers of the human species. It is a small self-funded team focused on design, human infrastructure, and AI. Now, let's see some sample of generated images on Midjourney.ai. For example, you can use this prompt: logo design, a dog, Jack Russell Terrier, long hair, Memphis style, flat illustration, 2D, simple style, vector, contour, white background, minimalist line style, cute, white and light brown, cartoon, American retro, IW 1.5, and V5. Then, Midjourney will give you 4 choices here. Let's try some more. You can also generate images by using a simple prompt. For example, you can say, cute curly hair girl, cute cat, rose background. Version 5.1, style raw. S250. And here's your 4 generated images. Now, this one, red and white, traditional cuisine restaurant e-commerce channel selling sweet and sour pork baby ribs. 4K, VR 3x2, V4, stylized 1000. Now, let's try to use a prompt that is a little bit complicated. You can try this prompt: watercolor cute cat with big eyes, cartoon style in the field of wildflowers, in the style of Marta Bavacqua, in pastel tones, super detailed. AR2x3, App Beta, Q2, S750. Now, you can also try this much detailed prompt: gorgeous 14th century woman. The prompt is gorgeous 14th century woman, glamorous, clean face, showing in 4K format, intricate work of magical art, movie poster, in CG society trends, complex, epic, from European, very detailed, bright, stage rendering of the character, super high quality model, beautiful face, background in style. Then, you can also add the removed from image, like poorly rendered face, sensual, poor facial details, poorly drawn hands, poorly rendered hands, low resolution, images cut out, bad composition, mutated body parts, blurry image, disfigured, oversaturated, bad anatomy, bad proportions, missing arms, missing legs, extra arms, extra legs, watermark, signature, mutated, ugly, deformed, blurry. You can include all of the things you don't want to see on your image. And you can also generate things like this house. A pretty little old stone house in a magnificent botanical garden. You can use the prompt, pretty little old stone house in a magnificent botanical garden, full of flowers in autumn, trending on ArtStation, sharp focus, studio photo, intricate details, highly detailed, by Greg Rutkowski. Then, don't forget to remove this on your image. Blurry, bad anatomy, extra limbs, poorly drawn face, poorly drawn hands, missing fingers. You can generate a beautiful image by using a very detailed prompt. But sometimes, you don't have to be this much specific. Another example, gorgeous 23rd century woman. You can use the prompt glamorous, clean face, showing in 4K format, intricate work of magical art, movie poster, trends, complex, epic, very detailed, bright, stage rendering of the character, super high quality, beautiful face, background in style. Then, remove this from the image. Black and white, bad art, high contrast, bad hands, clones, double heads, 3D, cloned teeth, blurry, bad anatomy, extra limbs, poorly drawn face, missing fingers, and others. With that, you can generate this beautiful image. But in case you don't want the generated image, you can always click here on Generate Again. You can click that 10 times or even 100 times. And you can always go here at Discord to be inspired of the works of others. You can join the trial support and learn from the other members. I hope this tutorial guided you on using Midjourney version 5.1. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question in this video, please don't hesitate to leave a note in the comment section. See you on the next video.